Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2014 Chevy Traverse LT 3.6. We're gonna be doing a heater hose connector, and this is the lower hose. I can't, inlet or outlet, I can't remember which one it was, but I'll look it up for you. But it's right up under here. Gotta get back here, take this off, and it's on the firewall. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get that done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, next you want to take off this tube here, air intake tube. You want to get flathead and the flathead. Loosen those up. You want to take this one right here out. Get that connector off. And then pull this off. Move that to the side. That throttle body dirty. A lot of oil. Alright, so see, we got a leak. I already diagnosed it. So this line here, it goes from here, from the thermostat onto the back to the firewall, then it splits and goes to the left, back here to a hose. Now, the bottom one does the same, but what's going on here? This thing is broke here. It's supposed to connect right there, but no more. So we gotta disconnect this hose. You can see it, it's the bottom heater hose, and it goes to the firewall and splits to the left and goes to another pipe. All right, you can see it right there how they split off. The bottom one, we're gonna have to disconnect these fittings. Gotta squeeze those tabs in, and this job it can be pretty tedious. Gotta get this connector off from the firewall on the bottom. So if it was on the top, it'll be a little bit better, man. So that's the bottom hose. I'm gonna have to work that off. So I was able to get, okay, that's the broken fitting. This is what goes on first, and that's what holds that fitting on. So once you get that off, you basically have to pry this. This is what I did. I split it open, like I just did it like that, and then I was able to see how it'll free it. These tabs right here, and then you'll be able to take it off. Alright, so I was able to get both sides off. Alright, now I'm about to work on the back end, on the firewall. So this is what it looks like, a brand new one. So that end on the firewall, we got a a clip like that. We gotta get that off. That's that other end. So this one gonna be a little bitch because we're gonna have to twist and try to get this off once we get the clip off. Alright man, this is what I got out so far. I was tugging on the other end, trying to get it off that firewall, which I knew was gonna be a bitch, and it snapped. So I'm working on that back there. And you just gotta twist it. I'm trying to get my pliers, my channel locks on it. I can get right up under here and twist this guy so that I can come off of there, because that heat got it seized on there. Alright man, I got it out. That was a pain. I'm out of breath. But now this thing can go on and snap on a lot easier. I'm gonna use the same clip here, put it on the new one. And 1, 2, and 3. Hook that back up. Alright man, we on there. Now that back on that firewall, that's gonna be a bitch. Don't try to, I suggest using a new hose clamp. The ones that you screw on, yeah, try those out, because if you try to use this old clamp, it's gonna be hard to go back on. It's like it's just too tight because of the new hose. Like it's thicker now. It's not as squished in like it was. So, but we in there. I ended up breaking this here. Might want to take that off just to get that out the way while you're down up in here, because I did break the purge valve. I'm gonna replace it for free. She just need to buy the part though. Alright man, put this back together and top it off with coolant. Deck's cool. Okay, so we got it running, topped it off. I'll let it get up to operating temperature. Hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.